Hi again. So, continuing with our installation tutorial, it's time to install Nginx Admin, the manager in this case. So, like another, I have a fresh install on CentOS to install Nginx Admin. So we can start the machine, go to admin page. Another video we installed this agent. Now it's time to install Nginx admin user interface. I'm clicking on script, server starting. Okay, we can do one SSH session. 192.168.0.10. Yes. Okay, we can get version. Let's do CentOS 7. You can install Admin and Nginx in the same machine. There's no problem with it. But we this is an example we are installing on two different machines. That's the most common case to use that. You should install in different machines because you have you can have more than one agent like 10, 12, 100 agents and just one manager. The two support this. You can install another agent, there is another Nginx, and so on. So we can continue clear. So after um, like agent, you can copy entire script like yeah install sh copy entire script and run single time. But like previews, we will done step by step the installation. So we can start update personal system. Okay, install required package like Java 8. Like previous in Nginx agent, almost almost packages probably in your default installation, but to guarantee, just wait a few moments. Okay, create the user, create folder to download the component. Time to download the admin user interface component, manager, take some time. While it's downloading, this is the, like I said in previous tutorial, homepage with documentation. You can see different installations around supported Red Hat and Debian distribution like Ubuntu, links to installation, configurations. You can also download or pull Docker images that you can instead install from scratch like you I am done now. You can pull images that already installed the two components, one agent and one manager, all for Debian images. In this case, Ubuntu and CentOS on these versions. Okay, almost finished. Okay, can unzip, give it permissions. Creating the admin home variable. It's required this step. Now it's time to copy init scripts. Starts with our installation on boot and run a service 2, giving permissions to root, configure it to start service on boot. Now it's time to release ports on firewall D. In this case, 4000 and 443 to HTTP and HTTPS. We can create a file, release on firewall, and reload to apply settings. Success, okay, it's done. Now we start the service. Okay, you can see status here. It's running on PID. You can see the logs from server. We will see server starting. This time the default database is H2 database. These lines will see some connection with created database, create some version. In this case, file version 2.0.0 was applied. It's about to start. Okay, started. As documentation said, you can check for manager in port localhost. In this case, your IP 4000. You can check for 192.168.0.10. You can close this. It's okay. It's up. Now You can use the HTTPS2 on port 4443. Okay. The default user and password is admin. The tool will force you change the password. In this case, admin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I change my password. Okay. Now we can connect with our agent that's running on 93, 92, 68, 0, 7, 7, yes, port 3000. We can configure multiple agents. Just for example, I will configure one. Can add it here. Give you a name like admin01 or name that you can check easily for this node for client X, for example. Can be any name. Can be any measure. Agent endpoint, it is this address or HTTP or HTTPS. And authorization key, default is changed. But as can say in previous tutorial, you can change this authorization key on this node. But matching the configuring that is here, that must match with agent authorization key. If not okay, the tool will set that authentication failed. So you can check this against this. So the default changed, was inserted and connected. You can configure initial settings. It's like the tool says is a required step to initialize agent folder. You can apply, you can change these settings. So you can go home. Now the node, you can apply the session for this node. You can go here, apply session, and check for the status. And Nginx is stopped. If you go here on port 8, I think it's not running, okay? But it's not running. You can check details about this machine. That is a Linux, CentOS 7, Nginx version 1, 1.12.2, which address is running your agent, and 1.2.68.07. You can start or test configuration. Configuration is okay. We can start here and voila. If you are seeing this page, Nginx web server, installed and work with Nginx admin settings. Okay, so you can manage here. I will create another video to explain how to use, but this menu appears and you can rate certification, servers, upstreams, virtual hosts, logs, error logs, etc. Reports. So in the next video we will learn how to use the tool. Okay, so thanks and see you on the next video.